Friends, Andrew here and welcome back to Drew Tutorial. And if you're new, a special welcome to you. And in this video, I'm going to show you how to comment a paragraph in Google Docs. So once you're inside Google Docs, guys, and you want to comment any paragraph that you may find, let's take the middle paragraph as an example. So I'm going to go ahead and highlight this paragraph, then simple right click and you'll have the option to comment. Simple click on that, or you can also use the Control Alt plus M. So once you click on that, you'll have the option to comment it. So I can say, this is not in English, please fix this, just as an example. Then go ahead and click and comment, and you can see that this paragraph now has a comment. So if you're working on a document with multiple people, then you will be able to comment and kind of make those different suggestions for them to solve. And you can see that once you comment it, it's highlighted. And that's it. So once they find this different section, they can click on it and they can also go ahead and reply to the comment and so forth and so forth, right? Keep in mind that those comments also have additional options. So if you click on it, you can always edit your comment, delete your comment, see emoji reaction details, and even get link to this comment as well. So very easy and very simple, guys.